Hope is a powerful force. It sustains us in times of darkness. Hope reminds us that even when things seem impossible, change is possible. We must hold on to hope. It's the belief that our future can be brighter. Hope is not passive. It's not simply wishing for a better tomorrow. Hope requires action. It demands courage, determination, and a willingness to fight for what we believe in. When we embrace hope, we embrace the possibility of a better future. We must never let go of hope, for it is hope that allows us to see the light at the end of the tunnel. It's the belief that no matter the challenges we face, we have the strength to overcome them. Hope is the foundation on which we build a better tomorrow, for ourselves and for generations to come. Change can be daunting, it can feel overwhelming. But change is also inevitable. It's the one constant in our lives. We can choose to fear change, or we can choose to embrace it. Throughout history, progress has been driven by those who dared to challenge the status quo, by those who refused to accept things as they were. When we embrace change, we open ourselves up to new possibilities. Change rarely happens overnight. It takes time, patience, and persistence. But every journey, no matter how long, begins with a single step. Let us be the ones to take those first steps. Let us be the change we want to see in the world. Life is full of challenges. There will be times when we stumble and fall. The true test is not whether we fall, but whether we rise again. I've learned this lesson time and again throughout my own life. I remember campaigning in small towns, talking to people who had lost their jobs, their homes, their hope. But even in the face of such adversity, I saw resilience. I saw a spirit of perseverance that inspired me. We must never give up on ourselves or on each other, because even when we fall, we have the power to rise again, stronger and more determined than before. The stories of those who have overcome adversity remind us that we are capable of achieving extraordinary things. None of us can achieve greatness alone. We need each other. We need to build bridges of understanding and empathy. We need to recognize that our common humanity is far greater than our differences. When we work together, when we support each other, when we lift each other up, we can achieve anything. We can create a world that is more just, more equitable, and more compassionate. Let us remember that we are all connected, that our actions have a ripple effect, and that even small acts of kindness can make a big difference. The power of community lies in our shared humanity, in our ability to come together and create a better future for all. Please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.